In today's video, let's learn how to buy Amazon Prime Video subscription. If you've not subscribed to Amazon Prime Video, let me show you the quick process of subscribing to it. Open up primevideo.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface. If you don't know how to log in, you can just click on the sign in option that you see on the home screen and you just type in your email address and the password. It's going to be the same as your Amazon.com account. So just type it in and you will be logged in. Once you are logged in, you can click on start your free trial, which is this button. And you may again need to log into your account for verification. Type in your email address and your password. After you do log in, you'll see this interface where you can now type in your card details. But you don't need to pay instantly, as Amazon Prime Video provides 7-day of free trial. Once you add in your card, your free trial of Prime Video will start and you can pay using all of these companies. Now for some reason, if you don't like Prime Video, you can always cancel it within 7 days and you would not get charged on your card. But make sure to do it within 7 days, otherwise your card will be charged for the monthly subscription, which is about $6. As you can see, it says $5.99 per month. So that's the quick process of subscribing to Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.